Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to delete messages on WhatsApp. First of all, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Now you can see I'm here in my phone. I'll tap on WhatsApp. After this, I'll tap on any message over here. Now I'll tap on the second one. You can see I have received this message from this sender. Now to delete this, just tap on this. And on the top you'll find this delete icon. Tap on this and now you can see here is delete for me. I'll tap on this and now you can see this message is deleted for me. Now if I send message to this person and after that if I want to delete this, I'll do the same. I'll tap on this message and now tap on this delete, and now over here if you are sending this message, you'll find these two options, delete for everyone or delete for me. Now I'll go with this delete for everyone. That means the receiver won't be able to see this message as well. Now I'll tap on this delete for everyone. Now you can see I have deleted this message and here is message of you deleted this message. This will be visible to me as well as this receiver. So in this way we can delete messages on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.